What is up, guys? Welcome to another episode. I am super excited. Today we are down here at Premium Auto Styling. I don't know if I'm going to be able to take my car back today, but we're definitely putting this thing back together. It's sitting outside right now and let's peep the color. Whoop. I'm probably going to black this out, black and white. You guys are probably going to be really upset, but yeah, this thing looks freaking sick. I cannot wait to see what it looks like all back together. You guys don't even know. This thing is so crazy. Look how gnarly this thing is. Probably gonna be a little showstopper. Especially with the carbon fiber vents. This thing's gonna look so sick. We might do the grill in carbon fiber now because we're so good with it now, but yeah. This thing is sick. And you guys obviously can't even see it because it's black and white. Oh, I have the keys. I haven't started this thing in so long. I'm too hyped. Oh, there's no door. First startup. I have missed this thing so much. Oh, I miss my car. It's fine. Okay. It's just a flathead. And then, so yeah, let's get the wing on. It does what? Good. Yeah. They just look super freaking cool on the psychedelic graph. Oh, that's great. Productive thing I'm going to do all day. Just rubbing plastic to a reverse light cover. This is like for sure. This is the most tedious, time wasting thing I can do all day. But I just want it to look good for pictures. Just pictures? Video too. There's this guy I know named John. He's pretty okay at making videos. I'm all about the money for free parts. Oh no. We got the wing on. So it's the first part of the car after it's been wrapped to go back on, and we have Chris from Flyride back here. What are you doing back here, buddy?
I'm just lighting up the ground with license plate LED bulbs.
Sweet.
Yeah. Wow, check that out. Much better.
Think it's gonna be cool?
It's gonna be right. It's awesome already. Let's throw some more on there. It's gonna be sick.
So we got these the new lights in here, courtesy of Flyride. So sick. Thank you guys.
Welcome, brother.
We did a cool little mod right now where we literally taped up one of the little prongs on the bulb on the inside, so it only lights up when the turn signal goes on. It's pretty dope. Right, Ricky? You guys talking shit over here?
Yes. Just talking about how ugly your car is.
Thanks, bro.
What?
drive it first, so like that.
Wow.
Yo, where the other one at? But I think you should know. I like this one. Before you let them go, that true love just don't grow on trees, on trees. Just let it go, pray. Z06 vet, gripping, feeling almost there. Listening to Bon Jovi, rolling, living on a prayer. Privy to the gossip that's been said about me constant. It's the life and times of Bumpy Johnson meets Nucky Thompson. I used to rap about death, now I'm only concerned to live. I value relationships still, I keep it competitive. Nowadays, chances are that if you...
Today has been fun. The car's basically together, right, Mitch? Mitch has been talking shit all day, right, Mitch?
What? Who talks shit?
You talk shit.
I don't talk shit. Don't be spreading that rumor.
If you come down here, Mitch is the one who talks the shit.
Oh my god.
All the mad shit. Right here.
Not me.
Yeah. Alright, I'll see you boys later.
Hey, bro.
Thank you for all the help and everything that you guys do.
Thanks for kicking it, bro. Have a good one.
Yeah, I'm sorry for being that straggler customer, bro.
Oh, are you waiting for that?
Yeah. Yeah, oh no, I don't even want it anymore.
Oh my, wow. You did me so dirty on that outro.
Drive safe. Boys, this is getting me hyped. This is getting me super hyped. Car looks so good. You guys can't even tell what the color is because it's gonna be black and white, but it's sick. I gotta get a thumbnail of this thing right now because it literally looks like a hovercraft.